How can we redeem a Google Play card? Hey guys, and let's get started. Some of the gift cards of the Google Play include promotions which give you an extra reward when you redeem the gift card. These rewards can include pieces of digital content like a movie or book rental or in-app item. You get the reward when you redeem your gift card or promo code. In order to do so, just tap open Google Play app. At the top right corner, tap on new profile icon. Tap on payment and subscriptions and then redeem code. You can enter the code that you have received, or if you have the scanner or QR code, just tap on scan gift card. Place it on the camera and you should be good to go. If not, you can go back to the previous page and then type in the code. To claim your reward, tap on get. To use the reward later, tap on not now. And this way, you should be good to go. But remember, you can only claim it when you redeem your gift card using the Play Store app. If you redeem your gift card at play.google.com, the reward will be added to your account, but you'll have to claim it on the app on your device.